How small habits become big fortunes. 1. Consistency. Small habits, when consistently practiced, compound over time. Consistency is key because it allows these habits to build upon each other and gradually produce significant results. For example, saving a small portion of your income regularly may seem insignificant at first, but over time, it can grow into substantial savings. 2. Incremental improvement. Small habits focus on making incremental improvements rather than drastic changes. This approach is more sustainable and less intimidating, making it easier to stick with over the long term. By consistently improving and refining these habits, individuals can steadily progress towards their goals. 3. Building momentum. Small habits help in building momentum. Starting with tiny, manageable actions can create a sense of accomplishment and motivation to do more. As progress is made, individuals often find themselves more willing to tackle larger challenges and take bolder steps towards success. Body text. 4. Developing discipline. Small habits cultivate discipline and self-control. When individuals commit to a daily routine of positive habits, they develop the discipline to resist temptations and stay focused on their goals. This discipline is essential for achieving long-term success in any endeavor. 5. Compound effect. The compound effect is the principle that small actions, when repeated consistently over time, yield significant results. Just like compound interest grows wealth exponentially, small habits compound to create big fortunes. Each small action contributes to a larger outcome, amplifying the impact over time. 6. Mindset shift. Engaging in small habits often leads to a shift in mindset. As individuals witness the power of consistency and incremental progress, they adopt a growth mindset that is essential for achieving success. They start to believe in their ability to achieve their goals through persistent effort and dedication. 7. Building skills and knowledge. Small habits provide opportunities to learn and grow. Whether it's reading for a few minutes every day to expand knowledge or practicing a skill for a short period, these habits contribute to personal and professional development. 8. Creating systems. Small habits help in creating systems that support success. By integrating these habits into daily routines, individuals establish a framework for achieving their goals efficiently.